It's like you must give credit to the players. Huh? Some Springboks, those guys have played for a long time, and guys like Nick Hatton, like young Oaks, put their hand up. Patu put their hand up today. Plays for 30 minutes hard. To challenge himself against Netherlands, Springbok. He showed today that he's, and we lose Bongi early on captain's run. Saki coming in on 2, Bester coming on. So we had a bit of changes in the week, but it's just so the character. I think Andre leading well, and he challenged the group, and you can see when he plays well, the team plays well again. And I just love the way he carries the team. We always look at like Patu. If you look at the game of Patu was on the bench. He will probably played for 10 minutes max. And the challenge I asked Patu and Nick Hatton was in the week: can you challenge yourself against like a Netherlands, like a Springbok, and you're going to play for 30 minutes? Can you give it all for 30 minutes and challenge yourself? Because it's the best team in the URC. Can you challenge yourself that you can compete? So we're going to also see as coaches, can you do it? Same as Nick Hatton against Paul de Villiers and them. Can you show, put your hand up that you can compete? Because we got good Lucy's with, I know what I got in Fox. I know what I got in Vincent Chuka. I know what I got in Pepsi. I know what I got in Sia Kolisi. I just need to find out with Nick Hatton and Patu. Can they compete and can they fight for the minutes they get? Nick played 80 and he showed Jaco Williams on the wing. We don't talk about him. He was good on the high ball. He did tackles for, how old is Jaco? 20, 21, 20? 20-year-old to look in place for 20-year-old. It's massive. And it's massive confidence for us as a group going forward and building. The guys are putting their hands up.